To launch Bid to Win on the iPad, you can touch the B2W mobile icon, or you can pull down from the top of the screen and in the search area type B2W. And you'll see it filter down to the B2W mobile icon. When the application launches, you'll have the option to sign in. And if you've already signed in, it'll keep you signed in. And this time, it's our first time to sign in here. We're going to use the ICC Foreman 1 as the sample account. We'll enter in the PIN. And the reason the keyboard's not coming up is because this is a password. So they don't want you to see who it's being typed. And touch sign in. There will be existing field logs there if you've already created them, or if they've been created for you from the field office. In the upper left-hand corner, there's a menu that shows you field logs, which is the screen we're on now, field log time cards, which you can ignore, equipment, jobs, help, and settings. When you contact the IT department, if you're having a hard time getting to the database, you'll touch the settings menu, and they may have you come down here to this B2W operations server URL, and they may have you enter that in again. We'll go back to the field logs. If you'll notice in the upper middle part of the screen, it says last sync, and in this case 3 days ago. In the far right hand corner will be who you're logged in as, which should be your name. There's an option to create a new field log, search your existing field logs, and then down below there's the field log list. First thing you want to do, if you haven't synced lately, is go ahead and touch the last sync. And when it says sync now, press that, and you'll see it rotating through, downloading the information it needs from the server. And now then, it's updated. You'll also notice that if you rotate the screen, the layout on the iPad will change. For this example, let's create a new field log. We'll press new field log. We can copy the last one we used or create a blank one. Let's create a blank one to start. In this, you'll have the general information down the left-hand side to give your grid view, summary, any attachments you've already selected, jobs, cost codes, per diem, employees, equipment, and the option to review. Under each one of those tabs, on the right hand side will be all the details. So as you scroll down in this, you can see the details available. And again, if you rotate the screen, you see the layout changes. You still have the options down the left hand side, but the names aren't there. So as you're working with it, be aware that you can rotate the screen to get various views to allow you to see more or less information on the screen itself.